Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Bonavita 8-cup one-touch coffee maker. If you're looking for a coffee machine that combines simplicity, precision, and quality in your daily brew, this could be the perfect fit for your kitchen. The Bonavita 8-cup coffee maker features a sleek stainless steel design that not only looks great but is built to last. With a capacity of 8 cups, it's ideal for households or offices where a fresh pot of coffee is needed throughout the day. One of the standout features is its one-touch brew operation, making it incredibly easy to use. Just press a button and let the machine do the rest. After brewing, it automatically shuts off, adding a layer of safety and energy efficiency. Temperature control is crucial for a great cup of coffee, and the Bonavita doesn't disappoint. It uses a powerful 1500-watt heater that maintains the water at an optimal brewing temperature between 195 and 205 degrees Fahrenheit, or 91 to 96 degrees Celsius. This ensures that every cup extracts the full flavor from your freshly ground coffee beans. Another thoughtful feature is the optional pre-infusion mode. This wets the coffee grounds before brewing to allow them to degas, which enhances the flavor extraction and results in a richer, more balanced cup of coffee. The design includes a flat-bottomed filter basket and a larger showerhead that evenly saturates the coffee grounds, helping to create uniform extraction. This means your coffee is brewed consistently well, cup after cup. Cleaning and maintenance are simple, too. The carafe lid, filter basket, and showerhead are all dishwasher safe, so you don't have to worry about tedious cleaning routines. The thermal carafe is double-walled stainless steel, keeping your coffee hot for longer periods without the need for a warming plate, which can sometimes burn your coffee and alter its taste. Plus, the carafe is durable and designed to resist spills. For those concerned about safety and health, all the plastic parts used in this coffee maker are BPA-free. This ensures that your coffee remains pure without any unwanted chemicals leaching into your brew. In terms of size, the machine measures approximately 12.4 inches deep, 6.8 inches wide, and 12.2 inches high, making it compact enough to fit comfortably on most kitchen counters without taking up too much space. It weighs just over 6 pounds, so it's sturdy yet manageable when you need to move it or clean under it. One thing to note is that this product is designed for use with a 120-volt outlet, which is standard in the United States. If you're outside the US, you might need a voltage converter to use this coffee maker safely. Overall, the Bonavita 8-cup one-touch coffee maker blends user-friendly features with precise brewing technology, making it a great choice for anyone who appreciates quality coffee without complicated setups. Whether you're a casual drinker or a budding barista, this machine offers an excellent balance of simplicity, durability, and flavor extraction. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth looks at top products. Until next time, enjoy your perfect cup of coffee.